Welcome to the lock-in, and now we have a Blackspur lock, which is from the Mega Pound store for £2.50. So let's have a go at this one. Nice big weatherproof lock. There's the bidding on the keys. Quite a deep cut on that, so not an easy bitting. Or is it? Let's have a go and see. Looks a bit like a master lock on the keyway. See if we can pick this. Let's go for a diamond. Well, that didn't take long at all. Let's see if we can rock it. It doesn't seem to want to be rocked. At least the bitting on the keys stops that. But it opens in 2 seconds with a diamond pick. So that's your Blackspur lock. Keep an eye out for them. Only pick locks that you own. Keep it legal.